Hi everyone, and welcome to what we're prepping today. This box is so huge it takes up a big part of my tiny kitchen. And so we've got one box from Amazon and those two on top are from Walmart. So let me get this paused and then I'll get started opening them with Mercy's help, of course. Alrighty, so the boxes are opened, even the the Walmart crushed one. We didn't open the Amazon one yet. Oh, okay, so what we have in here is the 1 gallon Duke's Mayo. Now, Sam's Club has a 64 ounce of Hellmann's Mayo, which is pretty much the best anywhere, on sale for this month's sale for $3.98, and they ship that free. Ounce per ounce. Duke's is actually less expensive, and so is, if you like the Berman's brand from Aldi, it's also less expensive, but it's only by like a penny or two an ounce because the Hellmann's is on sale for $3.98 for 64 ounces there. But I got this Duke's for, I think it was $7.40 something, shipped free from Walmart, and it's tastes very similar to Hellmann's, as does the Berman's from Aldi. So if you're picky, you know that this is a good mayonnaise. So now we're going to open this box, which says do not separate. It's a set, so it must come packaged like this. Oh, and these are our 1 unit Silicone Desiccants. I just did that video explaining desiccants, and whoa, that one feels vacuum packed. There's some air in there, buddy, like a balloon. Oops. So we got 4 of those, and remember, there's 25 in a pack here. So that's a total of 100 desiccants, and this was $28 for this, as opposed to the 100 desiccants that were clay desiccants that come in a really nice bucket. On Amazon, shipping was free, which is probably what drove that price up, but those were $100, and this bag is ripped on the seam. Doesn't matter because they're not moist. These ones don't appear to have any sort of eye on them, any color changing, anything that lets you know. But since silica absorbs up to 40% of its weight in moisture, I feel like we would know if it needed cooked in the oven. So let's get on to that big box. Okay, ready? I feel like I'm opening a present, except I already know what's in here. Same thing that came the other day in the huge box. Remember, on Amazon, I had gotten the great price on the Kleenex antiviral tissues. An 18 pack for $14. I believe it was $52. So I got 3 more of those. Let me see what's down in this corner. Oh, you know how I am with my tea. You know how I am with saving money, and you know how I am with buying in bulk. So right here I have some Stash tea, and I think there's 100 in there. Can't recall the price. Probably $16 or $17. Let me get this opened up for you. Oh my goodness, even the color is pretty. So this is the blueberry superfruit, caffeine free. This is just herbal tea. It's not black tea, white tea, green tea. It's an herbal tea. So I'll be trying that when I get home today. And let's see what's down in that corner. Oh, more tea. Yep, more tea, because I have other brands of, oops, something in there too. Don't throw the baby out with the bathwater. Oh, there's my other chest rub. I got one the other day, and I wanted to try these petroleum chest rubs that, you know, have help children or babies breathe without petroleum, which is the basis of Vicks. So these are more expensive. These are about $5 or $6 each. So I put them on my subscribe and save, and I think I have a third one coming, and it's obviously nowhere in this box. But let's open this tea up and see what it looks like. Ooh, there we go. This is the Christmas Eve tea. They also do a Christmas morning tea and Christmas in Paris tea. The Christmas morning tea has actual tea, black tea in it, and some herbs, and this is just another herbal tea, as is the Christmas in Paris. So I didn't order the Christmas morning tea just because I prefer herbal teas. So that's it. That's what we prepped today, and my husband is off today. He's going to go over and work on the food storage with me. So I will, this evening when I come home, put these teas in Mylar bags, and I will actually be taking the mayonnaise, the Duke's 1 gallon mayonnaise, with me to put in the food storage, and these 3 boxes of Kleenex antiviral tissues, I will carry them, transport them in their cardboard boxes. But then I'm going to take them out of the cardboard because I don't like cardboard in storage, and put them in one of those big Sterilite totes that I've showed you that I like so much. And let me tell you a little story about the Kleenex antiviral tissues and having a family member who doesn't prep. So my daughter was here the other day, and she is an extreme minimalist. She wants very little of anything. So I asked her if she wanted to take a box of tissues, and she said she would. So when she was getting ready to leave, she went to take a couple boxes, and I said, why don't you just take a case? And of course I get that little, well, she knows she can always come shopping here, which is great. I love that she knows that. And I told her, I said, why don't you just put it on the shelf in the laundry room? Because her laundry room's in her basement. She has nothing down there. Nothing. I would have storage. I would have things, but she has nothing to store because she's such a minimalist. So she took it, and she said, you know, I'm only taking it because there's space on that shelf. And I said, well, I can get you another shelf. And she said, nope, I've got more than enough. She said, and when she said she's only taking it because she had space on the shelf. And I said, and you're taking it because you are learning to become a prepper. And she just rolled her eyes, and then she walked out. But I'm learning a lot from my daughter about minimalism. You know, a lot of people have, well, I do. I have these mugs, these drinking glass mason jar lids, mugs with handles. And I like them. And I like that they have handles, and they're cute, and they fit with my, you know, country kitchen theme. But I have, like, I don't know, so many that there's like 3 or 4 that can't fit into the cupboard. So I'm actually going to take 3 or 4 out and donate them. And that way, you know, I don't know. But just becoming more of a minimalist, and it doesn't mean getting rid of cups. It means looking at something, and if it doesn't bring you joy, get rid of it. And so I'm going to start balancing. How am I going to do that? Becoming a minimalist with being a prepper. So would a minimalist have 100 tea bags, or in this case 200 tea bags? Yeah, probably, because that minimalist is a prepper. So while I'm finishing up this video and I'm going to go do my food storage, I want to get this out of here. I did show you the Big Lot walkthrough. These are the coconut oils that we decided to get. Remember, I told you they only had 1 salt. The 5-pound salt is $4, and I got the last one. And they had many different sizes of coconut oil, so I decided to get a variety of sizes. I think I'm going to I may put a coconut oil, one of these small ones, in with the popcorn. I may not. I think it's a pretty good idea. So if there's room in the buckets, I'm going to go ahead and add a small one in with the popcorn. And then as I pack up the butter, I may put some powdered butter in with that popcorn. These will go on the shelf. These last a long time. The last time I bought them, I told you they were a gallon. I bought 4 for $12. They've since reduced the size a bit, but they lasted a long time. They did not go bad. They tasted fine. So that's it. I'm going to go ahead and put those in the food storage from Big Lots, and then let me know. What did you prep today? Be blessed, everyone.